Last year, over $1 billion in equipment was stolen from American construction sites. Yours could be next. Let's see how GuardVision protects your site.
Every property tells a story, yours included. It's about the people who keep it moving, the equipment that keeps it running, and the operations that depend on everything working together. At GuardVision, our mission is to protect that entire environment, not just individual assets, but your property as a whole. With our advanced camera technology and 24/7 live monitoring, we deliver complete situational awareness across every corner of your site. We identify unusual activity before it becomes a problem, manage access with precision, and ensure your property remains secure day and night. Whether it's after-hours deliveries, vendor visits, or unexpected movement, our monitoring team sees it all in real time and takes immediate action.
Warning, warning. You have violated an area protected by a security system.
This isn't just about stopping theft or trespassing. It's about maintaining confidence that your operation is protected, efficient, and always under control. At GuardVision, we don't just watch your property, we safeguard it every moment, every day.